Certainly. A Midsummer Night's Dream is one of William Shakespeare's most beloved comedies, written in the late 16th century. It stands out for its enchanting blend of magic, romance, and whimsical humor, all set against the backdrop of a mysterious Athenian forest. Plot overview. The play is structured around three primary plots that interweave and converge by the end. At its core, the play explores themes of love, identity, and transformation through a series of fantastical and comedic scenarios. 1. The lover's plot. The central storyline involves four young Athenians, Hermia, Lysander, Demetrius, and Helena, caught in a complex web of romantic entanglements. Hermia is in love with Lysander, but her father, Aegeus, insists she marry Demetrius. Hermia and Lysander decide to elope to the forest outside Athens. Helena, Hermia's friend, is in unrequited love with Demetrius, who spurns her affection. Helena follows Demetrius into the forest, hoping to win his love. 2. The fairies plot. The forest is ruled by the fairies Oberon and Titania, who are embroiled in their own conflict. Oberon seeks to enchant Titania with a magical flower so that he can take possession of a changeling boy she is caring for. Meanwhile, Puck, Oberon's mischievous fairy servant, is tasked with applying the magic to Titania's eyes but ends up mistakenly enchanting Lysander instead, leading to further confusion among the lovers. 3. The Mechanicals plot. A group of amateur actors, known as the Mechanicals, is preparing a play to be performed at the wedding of Theseus and Hippolyta. The play, a humorous and earnest rendition of Pyramus and Thisbe, serves as a comic relief throughout the main action and culminates in a hilarious, yet heartfelt, performance. Themes and symbols. 1. Love and its complications. The play delves deeply into the nature of love, which is portrayed as both enchanting and irrational. The magical interference in the lover's affections highlights the capriciousness of love and the often arbitrary nature of romantic desire. The chaos in the forest reveals how love can be both bewildering and transformative, suggesting that true love requires both patience and understanding. 2. Reality versus illusion. Shakespeare plays with the boundary between reality and fantasy, blending the real world of Athens with the magical world of the forest. The transformations and enchantments in the play challenge the characters' perceptions of reality, creating a sense of dreamlike unreality. This theme is reinforced by the play's setting and the fluid nature of the characters' experiences. 3. The power of imagination. The forest represents a space where imagination reigns supreme. It is a place where characters can explore their desires and fears without the constraints of societal norms. The interplay between reality and imagination invites the audience to question the nature of their own experiences and perceptions. 4. Social order and disorder. The play reflects on social structures and the disruption caused when they are upended. The lovers' flight to the forest, the fairies' quarrel, and the Mechanicals' play all serve as reflections on the nature of order and chaos. Ultimately, the restoration of order by the end of the play suggests that, despite temporary disruptions, societal harmony can be re-established. Characters. 1. Puck, Robin Goodfellow. Puck is arguably one of Shakespeare's most iconic and beloved characters. His mischievous nature and magical powers drive much of the play's comedic action. Puck's errors and tricks, while causing confusion and chaos, also ultimately help resolve the conflicts in the play, underscoring his role as both instigator and mediator. 2. Oberon and Titania. The fairy king and queen represent the larger forces of nature and magic. Their quarrel and subsequent reconciliation mirror the main plot's themes of love and discord. Oberon's manipulation of Titania and the lovers illustrates the power dynamics within relationships and the potential for transformation. 3. The mechanicals. Characters like Bottom, Quince, and the others provide much of the play's humor through their earnest, albeit clumsy, attempts at theater. Their play within a play adds a layer of meta-theatrical comedy and emphasizes the theme of art imitating life. Bottom, in particular, is a figure of comic relief who embodies the play's celebration of the absurd. Structure and style. 1. Use of verse and prose. Shakespeare's use of verse and prose in *A Midsummer Night's Dream varies according to the characters and settings. Nobility and lovers often speak in verse, reflecting their higher status and emotional states, while the mechanicals speak in prose, highlighting their lower social status and humorous simplicity. 2. Language and wordplay. The play is rich with puns, wordplay, and linguistic inventiveness. Shakespeare's clever use of language enhances the comedic elements and underscores the playful nature of the story. The transformation of Bottom's head into that of a donkey, for example, serves as a literal and figurative representation of the play's exploration of identity and perception. Conclusion. A Midsummer Night's Dream remains a timeless exploration of love, fantasy, and the human condition. Its intricate plot, memorable characters, and thematic depth offer a multifaceted experience for audiences. The play's charm lies in its ability to seamlessly blend comedy with profound reflections on the nature of reality and human relationships, making it a perennial favorite in the world of theater.